friend from Contixo. I hope everyone is doing great. Today I will be showing you some new tech tips. If you're trying to figure out how to back up all your memory and data from your Contixo tablet to Google Drive, I'm here to help. Today I'll be showing you some pro tips on how to back up all data to your Google Drive account on your Contixo Kids tablet. In this demo, I'm using our Contixo V8 Kids tablet, 2 GB of RAM, and which is running the Android 10 operating system. So keep in mind, some of these steps may be different depending on the series of your tablet. These steps will work for all Contixo V series tablets. Before we get started, make sure your kid's tablet is connected to the internet. You have noted prior network passwords used in the past, and that you have the login information to sign in to your Contixo tablet. Okay, let's get started. Unlock your device and go to Settings. Once in Settings, tap on Network and Internet. Check and make sure your Wi-Fi is on and connected to the internet. After Wi-Fi is checked and connected, scroll all the way down until you see the System in Settings. Tap on System. Tap on Backup, above Advanced. Once tapped, turn on Backup to Google Drive. Then tap on Account/Add Backup Account. Once tapped on Account/Add Backup Account, wait for your device to check info, and then log into your Google account. Once logged into your Google account, you can back up all memory and data, including data from apps, call history, device settings, and SMS data. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, give it a like. If you have any other questions, leave them in the comments below and we'll do our best to help. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips from your friends here at Contixo.